Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share your WhatsApp number. If you are using WhatsApp and I want to share your WhatsApp number, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your WhatsApp app, and here you have to look for your settings. It might be in top right corner if you're using any Android or an iPhone. You have to tap on the bottom right corner, the settings option, and here you'll get your profile. If you want to share your WhatsApp number, so you just have to tap on it, and here you will easily get your WhatsApp number. You can easily copy it from here, or you can easily share it. Or if you want to get a QR code, so you just have to simply tap on this QR code option. Once you have tapped, you will get a QR code, so you can easily invite your friend or share this QR code with somebody. So you just have to tap on this share option here, and you will get different share options. You can save with the image on your phone, or you can really share it on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and etc. You want to share. So in this way, you can easily share your WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.